You just never see this stuff anymore. I broke nothing! We got about 30 hours into it?
35, 100, 1,000.
Now, did you pound this over a wooden frame or did you just pound it up?
Fiberglass box. Fiberglass box. And it was done with power hammer. So someone old school, Avery is the only woman getting her hands off.
It's nicer.
He's just caressing. He's caressing the nerves. Avery, stop touching the carpet.
I can't help myself. It's a Mamma Mia. It's beautiful, eh?
I know you always do.
Yes. Like, hey. I don't know what it is. Here, I don't know what it is, but I like it. I tell you what.
Hey, I don't think it'll handle the load.
Captain, we need more power.
Hurry.
I love it. All day long, we have any problems. I would throw that back and use that without even a question. You know
I
that?
already got it signed. I got it.
Whatever, just take to clean that up a bit, put it back in there. But when you bore the hole, what do they ask for? 4,000, 5,000?
No, I didn't. I just honed it.
Yeah, but make it bigger.
Yeah.
The bigger it is, it'll flop around like that a little bit, make a little bit of noise, but it'll never cold seize like that. There you go. You can also take one of them compression rings off that other compression ring. Throw it in your garbage. Anyways, guys, I was down here at the car show. I was walking by an exhibit. It was a rat rod with a Detroit in it, with the 22.5s on it, and I smashed my leg against this wheel stud, and I blew on the screen of my phone, and he could kiss my ass. And anyways, this fine old gentleman, what's your name?
Khalil.
What's your name of your company?
Kick and pick.
I tell you what, you break your cell phone when you're down here in Toronto, this man will drive to your place, hotel, airport, wherever it may be. He come down to the show here, he fixed my phone, he put a new screen on the front and back, fixed it all up, saved my ass. Who knew? I tell you what a place. You guys need to be here. Show up next year. Come and see what's happening.
That's a surprise.